In this video, I'll guide you through how to whitelist email in Gmail so that important messages never end up in your spam folder by mistake. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you'll have a simple filter set up that tells Gmail to always trust mail from a specific sender. First, open Gmail. You can do this in any browser by going to the Gmail website and signing into your account, or by using a browser shortcut if you already have one set up. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to whitelist the sender. If you manage multiple Gmail accounts, double check which inbox you're in by looking at the profile icon in the top right corner. Once your inbox is open, we'll head into the settings where filters are managed. At the top right of the Gmail screen, look for the gear icon. Click that and a quick settings panel will appear. From there, select the option that takes you to all settings. This opens the full settings page with several tabs across the top. You're looking for the tab labeled Filters and Blocked Addresses. Go ahead and click that. On this page, you'll see any filters you've already created, along with a section for blocked addresses. To add a new rule that whitelists a sender, click the link that says Create New Filter. This will open a small window with several fields where you can define the conditions of your filter. Now we'll tell Gmail exactly which sender you want to whitelist. In the From field, type the email address of the sender whose messages you never want to miss. This could be a newsletter, a work contact, or any trusted source that you've noticed going to spam. Type the full address carefully because the filter will only work for the address you enter here. If you're not sure of the exact spelling, you can copy it from a recent email from that sender. After entering the address, look for the button at the bottom right of that window that says Create Filter. Click it. You're not done yet. This next step is where you tell Gmail what to actually do with messages that match this address. You'll now see a list of actions you can apply to matching emails. To whitelist the sender, find the option that says Never send it to spam. This is the key setting. Check that box to make sure any future emails from this address bypass the spam filter completely. You can also combine this with other actions if you like, such as applying a label or marking it as important, but that's optional. The essential part is enabling Never send it to spam. Once you've selected that option, look for the button at the bottom that says Create Filter or Save. Click it to save your new filter. Gmail will now remember this rule and automatically apply it to incoming messages from that sender. That's all you need to do. You've successfully created a filter in Gmail that whitelists a specific email address, helping ensure important messages stay in your inbox and out of the spam folder.